Hey everyone, I'm Credit Score Shield, and I protect your financial reputation every single day.
And I'm Financial Education Book. I've got all the knowledge you need to level up your money game.
Today, we're breaking down the best credit score hacks that actually work.
So what's the fastest way to boost a score?
Pay down credit cards below 30% utilization.
Wait, why 30% specifically?
That's the magic number lenders love to see.
What if someone's already maxed out their cards?
Pay twice a month instead of once monthly.
How does that even help, though?
Lower balance gets reported to credit bureaus faster.
Should people close old credit cards they don't use?
Never. Keep them open, age matters big time.
Even if there's an annual fee on it?
Downgrade to a no-fee version of same card. What's the biggest mistake you see people making?
Applying for too many cards in short time frame.
How many is too many?
More than 1 or 2 per year hurts.
Can you remove late payments from your report?
Write a goodwill letter to your credit card company.
Does that actually work?
Yeah, especially if it's your first late payment.
What about collections on someone's report?
Negotiate a pay-for-delete deal before paying anything.
They'll actually agree to delete it?
Get it in writing first, then pay up.
Should someone become an authorized user on cards?
Yes, on someone's oldest card with perfect history.
Does their bad credit affect you as authorized user?
Only their payment history counts, not their debt.
What's a credit builder loan?
You borrow money that sits in locked savings.
That sounds backwards. How does it help?
You build payment history while actually saving money.
How fast can someone raise their score realistically?
50 to 100 points in 3 to 6 months.
What's the #1 factor in credit scores?
Payment history, it's 35% of score.
So never miss a payment, got it?
Set up autopay for at least minimums everywhere.
What about those credit repair companies?
Skip them. You can dispute errors yourself for free.
How do you dispute something?
File online with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion directly.
All three bureaus have different information?
Yep, always check and dispute with all three.
Remember, friends, your credit score isn't permanent. Small, consistent actions beat quick fixes every single time. Start with one thing today and watch your score climb in just a few months. You've got this.
Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And remember to like and comment below.